Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tool Parts, where we help you diagnose and fix your tools to keep them running like new. On this episode of DeWalt miter saw repairs, we'll be looking at the armature. So your DeWalt miter saw won't power on. Or maybe it does, but you see sparks or smoke coming out of the motor housing when it runs? That's not supposed to happen. If you haven't ruled out the power switch and brushes yet, take a look at some of the other videos in this playlist on our channel and we'll show you how to diagnose those. But keep in mind that a damaged brush often indicates a problem with your armature. We recommend replacing those together. If you're ready to inspect your armature, follow me. The armature drives the belt, so the first thing I'll take off is this belt cover using a T25 Torx bit. To remove the belt, I'll loosen these 4 screws and the tensioner screw in the back. I'll use a T20 Torx bit to take off the motor end cap. Next, I'll remove the brushes. The armature is located inside this motor assembly. To get to that, we'll just remove these 4 screws. Then, just pull the armature out. When you're handling the armature, be careful with the fan. It's not sold separately, so if you break it, you'll have to replace the entire armature. The bearings may wear over time, and as such, they are sold separately from the armature. This larger bearing can be difficult to remove. To find out how to remove it, check out our other video on how to remove an armature bearing from a DeWalt miter saw. To reinstall the armature, we just have to slide it on in. Reinstall the brushes. Put the motor cap back on. Replace the belt. Tighten up our tensioner and these 4 screws. And of course, replace the belt cover. Replacing a burned out armature can bring your old saw back to life and save you hundreds of dollars on a replacement. Don't replace it, repair it. If you need any of the parts that we used in this video, just find them on our website at mmtoolparts.com, where we stock thousands of OEM parts to keep your tools running like new. Just follow the links in the description below this video. Thanks for watching. If you have anything to add to what we covered, or if you have any questions, chances are you're not the only one, so leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to like us, share us, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we have hundreds of how-to videos just like this one. Good luck with your repair. See you next time.